Hi guys, it's your girl Penny Nakalemo. Yeah, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel down below, and thank you for coming by. So if you subscribe, you'll be getting a notification every time I upload a video. All right, so let's subscribe and then we'll get started just now. Yes, most of you ask me, what do I do exactly to make it in network marketing? So one thing that we are going to discuss, and it's the main thing. Yeah, most of you came for advice, and I just felt like this video is for you. This video is about giving you some success tips on how to make it in network marketing business that you are involved in. So tip number one, understand the industry that you are working in. Network marketing business is basically just an industry just like any other industries. So you cannot perform if you don't understand what you are doing and why you are doing it. So basically, network marketing industry, it's one of the industries that's so underestimated, especially here in Namibia. And this is the industry that produced so many millionaires around the world. So basically, you just need to understand the network marketing industry before you get started on your business. So what you need to understand exactly is that it's called network marketing for a reason, and you need to network in order to make it far. So otherwise you will give up. It's not even a joke. You will give up if you are not putting in the effort that you need to in order to get the performance that you want. All right, so it's network marketing. You need to build network, a bigger network in order to make it. So how you build the network, we're gonna talk about that in the next video. So success tip number two, you need to make a total commitment to your business, whatever business that you choose in the network marketing industry. You need to make a commitment. So there are so many out there, so you just choose the one which is perfect for you and you can commit to it. So one of the main things is that when you are committing to your business, you need to give it time. You cannot just come in the business and then you expect to get, let me say, business income that, as you know, someone who have been in the business, maybe who have built a bigger network already, who have, done so much. You just started yesterday, you just started last month, 2 months in the business. You are saying, no, this is not for me, it's not working for me. No, guys, make a commitment for at least a year, and not just because a year based on time. You need to base it on your effort. There's no way you'll be in this industry for a year, a total commitment to it, and enough effort but not getting anywhere. So give yourself time to build a network that you want. So just make sure that you are committed. Give yourself time, a commitment for at least a year. So yes, that's when you can decide this is for me or not for me. But give yourself enough time and commit to the business. So success tip number three, you need to sell yourself, baby. You need to sell yourself, because this is not just an industry where you can come in and then you rest. You need to sell yourself. You need to make awareness that you are involved in this business. So you need to make sure that you tell everyone you sell yourself. How you sell yourself, it's another video. So just make sure that you subscribe, and then all these videos you will have to look at them later on. So success tip number four, you need to present your business. So present your business as is. Don't make someone false claims, or you you give them, you know, misinforming information basically. So you need to make sure that you are honest to when you are talking to people. So when you are presenting your business, make sure that you tell people the truth so they don't have false expectations, right? So don't sell people dreams. This is an industry where you have to build a business, a proper business, for you to make the business income that you want. So just make sure that you also, when you are now presenting your business, you believe in your product and the services that you have to offer as a business. So you don't have to force someone, right? You just present the business as is, and then someone will make a decision. So just show confidence when you are presenting your business to a person, or business, or the product that you have to offer as a company. All right. So yes, be ready to present your business every time. Be on standby. So when someone comes and they'll be like, no, tell me about your business, you should understand and you should know what exactly to tell them. You ask them what their interest is, and you just, as a consultant, distributor, or whatever it is, that as a network marketer basically, so you need to be on standby every time. All right. So, and make sure what you tell the person based on their interest. Okay, success tip number 5, you need to invest 90% of your business time. So at least when you start your network marketing business, make sure that you are ready to invest time. So it takes so much time to just commit, right? So you need to do it every day and consistently. So you don't just do it whenever you feel like. No. So invest at least 90% of your time, whether it's you talking to people about your products, about your services, about your marketing plan, and also maybe attending to your prospects. So you have to make sure that at least you are investing that time. All right. So we move on to success tip number 6. You need to ask for referrals from people around. Yes, the people that are around, you ask for referrals if they are not interested in joining themselves, and also from your customers. You have those customers, your best customers, that always come back, come back to buy for more products and all that. So ask referrals. These are the people that that know the beauty of your services or the beauty of your business product, and just present it like that. When you now get the referrals, you have to be on standby to do the presentation about your company or your business and just anything that you do. So yes, make sure that you ask people for referrals. Your best customers, your people in your circle, just make sure that you ask for referrals. Okay. So success tip number 7. For this one, you need to develop a contact list. All right. So when you ask for referrals like this, when you get prospects every day, you are building your contact list, and these are the people that will come back to you saying that, okay, now I am ready to use the product, I am ready to do this, I'm ready to join you. And this is how you build a bigger network. So you don't just wait for people to look for you. Look for the people, especially when you are starting. You need to look for people, not like when you are finally successful in your business, when the change is so visible to everyone that people can even look for you. But as a beginner in this industry, you have to make sure that you look for people, because it's all about people that you will go far. Yeah, just make sure that you build your contact list every day. So as you build your reputation and creating awareness to everyone. So okay, success tip number 8, you need to keep it simple. Just keep it simple. You don't need, there's nothing complicated in this industry. For as long as you are doing the basics. The basics is actually presenting yourself, presenting your company, presenting the products, and whatever services that you have to offer as a company, in whatever business or network marketing business that you are involved in. So just make sure that you keeping it simple, and also the people that are coming in, they are able to duplicate what you do, and it's basically based on what you do that those joining with you will duplicate, because these people are looking up to you, and you have to make sure that you do the right things that they can copy. All right, so success tip number 9, you need to keep in touch. All right, so as you build your contacts, as you get referrals, as you build your contact list, you need to keep in touch. You just don't talk to someone and then that's it. You need to keep in touch, communicate to the people, whether you are communicating to them through your WhatsApp status, through your social media, or word of mouth. You can definitely just communicate to them. So you have to keep in touch, communicate to them, and just make sure that people understand exactly what you are doing. And if you are keeping in touch, you understand how they understand now the company that you are presenting to them, the products or the opportunity, basically. Success tip number 10, baby, and this is my favorite. So you should never accept a no as a final answer. So keep following up. When someone says no to me, it doesn't end there. I'll give you time. Think about it. I'll keep sending you some things, and just presenting my opportunity, because I just want to build my network. So it's not about them, it's about me getting what I want. So they have to say yes. Even no matter how many times you are giving me no's, it's okay. 10 times, it's okay. I know I'll come back. Until you say, this person keeps going on and everything. So until they finally say yes. And I've been doing that, and it has been working best for me. So yes, just don't accept a no as a final answer. One can say no today, tomorrow, or the next day, but the other day they will say yes finally, and that's what you've been looking for. So never give up, keep going, and just do it. So guys, that was the 10 tips to success in network marketing business. I hope you found value, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel down below, and you'll get notifications every time I upload a video. I hope you enjoyed, guys. Bye bye.